everyone, Melissa here, coming on today a little late because I was crafting this morning to get this card out. But anyways, so this week's theme was Carnival. Next week's theme will be Mickey or Minnie Mouse. So I'm sure you all have purchased several items for that, especially you, Lady Cree. You should have a ton of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. But anyways, so I am going to show you what I use. I'm also entering this card into hashtag #SatMornMakes, if I didn't say that. And that's about it. Let's jump right in. So I'm using this cotton candy shaker bits given to me by one of my good friends. I'm also using these Stamp Market enamel dots. Using this Maker's Movement to me by one of my very closest friends. And another Maker's Movement given to me by one of my very closest friends. Anyway, so I'm using all three of those items. And this one here is what my focus is on for Carnival, which is the cotton candy stand. I'm using the Spellbinders cutting dies. This one is Make-A-Wish Arch Labels. And then also by Spellbinders Essential Arches. So I'm using those for my projects. And here goes this cute card. I made it into a shaker. I don't do those very often, but I got a ton of my shaker bit stash. Anyways, I thought it turned out so cute, but let me tell you about that die. Trimming all of those little things that hold the die in place was a booger. Oh my gosh. This might be my last time using this, not sure. But anyways, it turned out so cute though. I love how it turned out. I had to look it up to see what all the pieces went. It turned out super cute. I love it. I love that I used the arch label dies as well as the Make-A-Wish arch die. I thought that was perfect since the cotton candy machine was rounded at the top. And it just turned out perfect. And the shaker bits went perfect as well. I was so happy to have those. And then there goes the inside of my card there. But love how it turned out. Make sure you enter into our collabs. Hashtag #SatMornMakes. And also hashtag 2crafters1design. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.